Just as it's important for our canine companions to be up to date with their vaccinations and parasite protection, our feline furry friends also need to be protected from diseases and illnesses that can cause pain and suffering. Cat vaccination rates tend to be lower than our canine friends, and I suspect one of the causes may be the stress associated with vet visits for both cat and owner. The key to making your cat's trip to the vet a stress-free one is creating a positive association with their cage or carrier. Cats are territorial creatures and feel very vulnerable when out of their usual environment. They can, however, be trained to tolerate or even enjoy social outings and the carry cage. In the same way that you would crate train a dog, place the cage on the floor open and put their food and treats inside and slowly encourage them to spend more and more time in there before slowly shutting it for small amounts of time. Crates that open at the top can also make it a lot easier for us at examination time. Take your cat in the cage for car rides in the car to get them used to it, but without actually going to the vet, so that they don't always associate being in the cat cage and the car with a vet visit. My cat Finn comes on holidays with us and for visits to my parents' house, so he is really quite comfortable in the car and doesn't meow much at all. They can suffer from motion sickness, particularly if they're stressed, so just make the trips short and use a calming pheromone spray like Feliway, and don't feed them beforehand, of course. Ring up before you enter to see if there is a space that you can go away and wait for a little while without noisy dogs around. Use treats and lots of praise in a nice, quiet voice to keep them calm. During the exam, stay close to your cat and use treats and lots of praise to try to create a positive association. Try to keep yourself calm and allow plenty of time to get them in there so that they don't pick up on your stress or anxiety. There's also lots of different medications that can be prescribed to reduce general anxiety or just occasional anxiety triggered by a vet visit, for example, or a car ride. Talk to your vet if you suspect your cat is anxious to determine the best course of action. You can also check out the Have We Seen Your Cat Lately website for more tips and tricks for getting your cat to the vet.